Bati Rolling Mills yuko yabwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura chagwirigiriye amabati anda unsialia utagiti showroom yeto nigo ere enkare eyuerengia na boigo ekogokie riso lyao chingaki ogoswasa yigakurigiriya amabati aiga ntobwate team ya tembo abo bagokora imirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na boigo cho tebereriye kende gensi uraganie bagotebereriye company ya mabati Rolling Mills iko babwate amabati chingenjo au ayuare ye chikala au na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges au bunabono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asibego babwate boomerang ayuare aye chigage emerongetato asama mabati alia ye chigage emerongibire na isaro na isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana roman jinko na boigo web design babwate ligani kabwate chikala bunabone lia chaco gray brick red tile red maroon sky blue na boigo na green obutambe bwe mabwate liga niko bokorengana amo nukwenya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya mabwate liga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase ouru MRM showroom onyare kabo gukwerera amabati yu akomenya segeka ayo uchane warrant na boigo ayo urakoberwa ikasure asubwango edukenyiga ya Ouru Superstores yegotoka se nyumba ya Ouru Complex imiyo chigo busongo iyo erangene duka ya Safaricom boigo ngotoka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera sete namba chabo 0111161500 Ouru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Zuku, home of quality entertainment with reliable internet and affordable satellite TV across the country. For $29.99, get your satellite TV dish and decoder with strong signal. Enjoy crystal clear channels, kids shows, sports, local dramas, Nollywood, Nat Geo, and more for $4.50 per month.
Akegimana indo mwancho murigereria nigo cyaragire Chinsa Ikomi cyabona maragoba ritwerigare Jumamosi yechi tariki 15 mutenyo yiga oga 11 karibu sana Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi asenchira yobwenge chengatira Nyaboga Vanessa Nyaboga kurwaso muno buyimanyerio makuiskure studio akabanera kwaneke muna TV chechi na Mario cyawe kirasenchira ereyo buyikirano umukonyi wumurai asekia magia jupiri Dr. Fred Ekeonga Matiangi nigaruro kubolyo kuchya sabara igotegerera ekanisa ne mono abarandia kokwana korwa obumenyo wa munyoro imeye county ya Nyeri chinga kichombo moyega bokumubekera egutwa kwa ye Dr. Dorcas Gashagwa una Reverend Matiangi niga kwanera chinkwana cyaba bishop bekanisa yekere osibekere sekere Catholic na koboryo murayibwense na barayibande bategerera na bakore buna ekanisa yababuli.
Your Excellency, I will obey you. We will not speak politics today, but let me say one thing only. The whole of this week, we have listened very carefully to how the clergy have addressed public issues in this country. My personal experience is that I've interacted with some of these wonderful people here. And I normally tell people, for us in the secular world, these are very dangerous people because we are going to look for votes from all these people. These ones are ordained by God, and when they speak, we had better listen. And I want to ask our national leaders, His Excellency, our President and the government, please listen to the clergy, listen to the religious leaders of our country. I saw a very strong statement from the Conference of Catholic Bishops. The Anglican Church leaders have spoken very loudly, and many of you have spoken loudly. Those of you who read the Bible more oftenly, probably more often than my friend Mithika Rinturi, know the fate of those leaders who do not listen to the voice of God through the clergy. And we know what has happened to countries when we do not listen to our ordained men of God. You are the voice of God, you are the conscience of our country. I pray that our national leaders, please listen to the voice of God that is coming from the clergy. They are speaking on behalf of our people, and they are articulating the pain, aspirations, and wishes of our people. Finally, for those of us who cannot preach like Paul, who cannot preach like Reverend Dorcas, those who belong to that court include me and Rigathi and others here who cannot preach, our responsibility is to hold up the hands of the prophet.
Mojega gochengera emyaka 20 yokobarira gwikiama kiregia ODM nigo bwatite nsemiye kaunti ya Mombasa ase ritko ria rera oso ritko ria gatatu muske Winnie Odinga oyure enyaroka ya yenyagusira Raila Odinga nigo atebire iseraira nere obeiteka osinero semeire asogotinya obwamate gati ODM ne serikali yobo mogose broad base na niga irabuna nere buya abaraiba bono ose aba kurura ekiame kiboniga bali kumurai oragendereri obwamate obwo asenere Junet Mohamed akwanira na koboria abarai basike ekiame ekyo eriko gendere gutinga na kugendereria maskania ya Raila Odinga.
When it came to the matter of this broad-based government, the people of ODM entrusted one person with the management of that relationship. And that person was Baba Raila Amolo Odinga. That relationship is complicated. And therefore, we are looking and we are wondering, those that are taking it upon themselves to manage it now, are they capable of managing that relationship? I don't think that is a question for me to answer. That is a question for the people of ODM to answer. And party leader is why I'm requesting we need to go back to the people and have an NDC and see who the people want to pick to manage that same relationship.
Chama ya ODM, chama ya nini? Ni chama kikubwa sana. Na mimi naomba tukuze hii chama na ituilinde kwa heshima vile baba alikuwa amefanya. Baba alikuwa mtu ambaye alikuwa hako na hekima na busara sana. Na vile vitu Mungu amepatia baba alikuwa amepatia peke yake. Nimeona siku hizi kuna watu wengine wanataka kuwa kama baba. Ile nguvu baba alikuwa naye na hekima alikuwa naye, Mungu ndo alimpatia. Sasa mimi naomba tukuze hii chama kwa heshima ili ibaki chama ya kitaifa. Tusije tukagawanyika kwa sababu ya kila mtu anataka chake. Mimi naomba na chama hizi ina structure. Iko na NEC, iko na Central Committee, iko na NDC, iko na kila kitu. Tuheshimu uamuzi wa viongozi na pia structures ya party. Tumeelewana? Ya mwisho,
Mujumbe we bungeri ya West Mogrango Moske Stephen Mogaka niga boliria barai na woigabana siasa korwa ekaunti ya Nyamira na Rogongo rwa gusiorogima batige koreta siasa chitaisaini asogocha ku University ya Nyamira. Mogaka nigo aliganirie okona chagwe kigambiro igoro yogocha ku University eyo na koteba egendere kwa gacho. Uno mwakiri Moske Mogaka okwana nigetasine kya Getembe mambia rero gwitira enchera yesimi nigo atebire nerebuya university eyo echake na nigo erabe orosagia gose nigo irarerwe ne university area ya Kisii.
Igondagete kuraburia abarai batagete ebirogo abwo konya babwate imirimo iyo eserikali ere menene inchungora asamangana ye university ya Nyamira asituanyiru siringale abamwali ngo mumanyete ekimwakolete ni university eyo yesomo eshimiwa governor Nyagaramu Minto arweto buri mukia abanyoru university ya Rosigwo ku Eldoret mokoleti kende bono igekero tuachire tuanyalire tuansire safari yoko agache university ya Nyamira gwansira kia abanyoru nakogenda guchinse mochinde tari masikani ekero mugotenoka gotebia abantu nga gazette notice teyo university ya Nyamira igere branch ya university ya Kisii ekorera university yigo ikebe university ikoro ku Nyamira igoko gazette ya university ya Nyamira itarachinere rwetu aramaguru omwana gako gende sukuru litukabyarwa eyege go demonstrating abantu mbale batemanyeti batamanyeti amachiko batamanyeti enchire university ekoroswa incho mujumbo West Mugirango oyo ole aso mustalio motwe yoko lera na kubwatisi na gusira na magama university ya Nyamira erwe asorusagerwa Kisii egera tuetenenere gongo tebya bagusiba ito ngana bangaini mule mubaise kungainwa n'abantu batato konyete konyole university ye karo babwate chinguru baka bagatusiekera noene egioski ki university tuabwate tiganya sa tokonye university iyi ya Nyamira ekolero ne university ya Kisii etwale amaguraye etwale Chinsa gichaye etwale echata ye university ya Nyamira na yongo ikaranale egekogera se budget ngobe katole chietaneti 3 billion shillings chigo chikwagacha university ya Nyamira egere imanyeko ewe chata yaye yetenenere
Chinga kechecho moske mogaka nigo airanerie kegambiro mbuya asokorusie kina igoro y'umurobiri obokolika abanyanyimbo mogaka niga bori abasaye bari batagete konyore imirimo buna abanyanyimbo besokia sobonge nabo igobaina n'amasakarabo eribenyorera amabagaje imirimo
ngonto ketwa kire kigambira kana nagiense ngambu yamono asoko igwera na kurusiororo injunction babegete yogotenania okolika kwa abasaye baito ko baba skali ba police tikine kikonya kiagamiru kiaelire naende machiko yense tari wanja ngeke gambiro naende keigure file yende yekina asekina ekoti yeyo yakwaneire yakulire yasiekire file yeyo abakire ngambu yamono nakubulia abasaye baito bali babwatira ngoyoko ba abaskali kamuranche morosi ya masakaraino lituko bakulika se Chinsa mwao mwe presentie egere na nyole esha ya mabagali ya toire yokulikwa asabaskali abwo
Togendrete kurigereria omurobiri oyobo kulika abanyanyimbo mu Inspector General w'abanyanyimbo Douglas Kanja nigo nera kwanero omurobiri oyobo kulika abanyanyimbo chiribu Ikomi Kanja nigo atebire buna omurobiri oyo nigo rakorekana ritskore Jumatatu chitariki 15 na ibere na nigo rachake Chinsa ibere chamambya na wari Chinsa 11 chamaragoba ase bito byonsi chiminye meronke ibere na bitano na bere gose 427 imeyense ya Kenya murobiri oyo nigo rakorekane asobwene n'obwasioku na ondetayo oraineneri yaki.
The recruitment date is 17th November 2025, that is coming Monday, and the hours are between 8 a.m. in the morning up to 5 p.m. in the evening. In all the 427 recruitment centers that are distributed throughout the Republic of Kenya, the exercise is free of charge. No corruption. Any of our officers involved in corruption, we will carry out appropriate action. And the recruitment goes on. And I want to encourage the young men and women of the Republic of Kenya to troop into the recruitment centers coming Monday. We will get the best from the Republic, and I'm happy because we are not only recruiting young men, they are not only going to get a job, but we are also getting a reformist team a team that is going to push and move police to the next level of development. So to me, it is not just a new team of police officers, but officers who are to come in and assist us and support us in the reform agenda, because the police is under transformation. And this is a very, very important component, the recruitment, new officers into the service. To me, that is something that is very, very important. Remember, we have got a generation that is coming in less than 21 months to come. So we need to prepare adequately. And getting those 10,000 police officers is a clear indication that is a good mark actually moving forward.
Chapto Krista Ikomi na isano yure Chinsa Ikomi chabona maragobo mwancho muregereria na rayo kure Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi asenchira yo winge kurinda se huwikiranu nibere na waigo nyeche botuka bwarero na ere matilo baigwa chagoro wakatire na Nyaboga Vanessa Nyaboga kuraso muna boimanyiriro makuis kure studio akabanero kwana kebona chibichechi na mariogi chawikira asenchira ero yo boikiranu twaro buri borobia tumanari kure anki.
Eduka yobomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka cholide ili kubatuka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyure company nambe yemo eyo korose chirangi meyense liga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu biliya bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi ejo boyiko chire chichi brand ao ejo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwata chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba iziko nyumba chire chikomentra nigwa amavuta yani oil na wigo chiriya chia mache inyoranga chirangi chiga nigo chire korwase chire chiri guririke iriya gatigati wekariguri iriya bantabati wigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo bwochoganya chirangi wekabunuragani bwochoganire erangiyiga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora bwekirano tutarire rero eliwe nyorere abamanyi aboigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara njibwa tokorelekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eywerangene duka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyure angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange. bakire simu gwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500. Oru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Amone